I'm actually from Meghalaya, currently working under Meghalaya Basin Management Industry.
यहाँ पे क्या-क्या प्रोग्राम हो गया?
This program has been very innovative and then very helpful. Like as we have different speakers from different places, and also like very valuable insights. We got to hear from different speakers and also different ways of conserving forests and also protecting the wildlife, and how important it is for us at this particular stage to take care of the forest and also to take care of the biodiversities. It's a very like good feeling to participate here because like this kind of platform, it always provides you scopes and also prosperity and also ways of doing things in a very constructive and innovative ways. So nature plays a very great role nowadays on this planet Earth. So this kind of I think events and this kind of programs will definitely help people to understand how important the environment and for like the nature is to protect and to conserve. Yes. It has like this program has been organized very nicely. I think I look forward, this BTC government should keep organizing this kind of program in the days to come, because we can see like students participating in the program. So which is a very great initiative. Students of today and youth of today are the future generations, and they are the leaders of tomorrow. So I think it is a very great initiative bringing in the students. So this kind of event and this kind of program should always be facilitated and promoted like in whatever way possible. Bodoland is a very nice place. I have been I have already been to Chirang district for the last couple of years. I was working there. So Bodoland is very close to me, and Bodoland is very close in my heart. And even the place where we are staying since yesterday, in Manas National Park, is a very nice place. People are so loving. The tradition is very rich, and the traditional food is very nice. So I enjoyed in every possible way, and people and everyone out here are so loving, and they have a great heart. I simply enjoyed a lot.
क'क्राझार नगरनि आरएनबी लामाजों थांनाय बागानसालि वार्ड नम्बर 8 आव रायजो राजाफोरनि गोग्गो देहा लाखिनो थाखाय सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआ गोदानै जेनेसा वेलनेस प्राइभेट लिमिटेड बेखेवदों। बे सानजारां इन्टारप्राइज आयुर्वेदिक गलायाव मानसिनाव जानाय गेदेर बेरामनि मुलिफोरखौ मोननो हागोन। किडनिकाव अन्थाइ जानाय, आथिं आखाइ जरा सानाय, लिभार गाज्रि जालांनाय, मोदोमनि माननाय आरो बेनि अनगायैबो बायदि गेदेर बेरामफोरनि मुलिफोरखौ बे सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआव लांफैनो हागोन। सानजारां इन्टारप्राइजआव गासै बेरामनि मुलिफोरखौ हलसेल राङावनो लांनो हागोन। सानजारां इन्टारप्राइज बिगोमाया फोरमायबावनाय बायदिब्ला नैबे 9954157149 जानबुं नाम्बारनि गेजेरजों नोंथांनि गोनांथि जानाय मुलिफोरखौ सुलाद लानो हागोन।